Your mind is a brilliant architect, but when it's overloaded with constant choices, its structure collapses into overthinking. This is decision fatigue, and it cripples your clarity. Today, we don't fix the thoughts. We reset the space they occupy. If you want to refine your internal geometry for a better focus, click the link in the description. Now, find your stillness, close your eyes, and let us begin. Take a slow, deep, intentional breath, drawing the air into the core of your being. Hold it gently and release it with a slow, silent sigh, letting the weight of your entire week drop away from your shoulders. Bring the totality of your internal awareness to the physical sensations of your breath, entering and leaving your nostrils. Do not analyze the breath, simply feel its cool energy. Visualize a dense, gray fog surrounding your entire head. This fog is made of every unanswered email, every difficult choice, and every looming deadline. Feel its heavy, oppressive pressure. With every frantic thought that arises, see the fog thicken. Inhale, gathering the heavy fog into a single point. Exhale, see a small, intense sphere of crystal clear indigo light ignite at your forehead. As you breathe out, this indigo light expands, with silent force, instantly dissolving the fog, clearing a boundless space of crystalline clarity around you. Deepen your focus on this indigo center. You are no longer navigating the noise. You are the vast, unclouded sky through which the noise passes. There are no decisions to be made here. There is only the calm presence of the silent witness. Let every cell of your brain align with this profound silence. For 5 minutes, you have permission to do nothing, to solve nothing, to decide nothing. You are simply resting in the crystalline space of your own awareness. Feel the deep relief of surrendering the need to know. The burden of the future is not yours to carry in this moment. The answers will arise not through forcing analyses, but through honoring this stillness. You are the immovable mountain, unbothered by the passing weather of your thoughts. Rest deeply in this crystalline clarity. You are safe. You are quiet. You are present. You are absolute clarity. You are the witness. Gently bring your awareness back, take a grounding breath, and softly open your eyes. To permanently anchor this clarity and ensure your nervous system can handle the noise when it returns, you must master your physical roots. Click on the screen right now to experience our classic 5-minute grounding meditation and secure your internal foundation. Subscribe, leave a comment, and remember, the sanctuary is always within you.